Hallo, my name is Salome Kolb and my mission is to help German learners become confident and conversational. So here are 3 ways on how you can maximize all the free content that I have for you. Number 1, turn on your notifications or even add me to your favorites lists here on Instagram. I post on a daily basis on subjects like practical German and pronunciation, and I also share a lot about life in Germany over in my Instagram stories. Number 2, if you are interested in more step-by-step lessons or in-depth content in general, my YouTube channel is definitely where you want to be. So make sure you subscribe because that's where you'll really maximize all your learnings. And number 3, if you are a total beginner and you're interested in learning some of the paid lessons that I share with my paid students in the German Fluency Academy, then visit speakfluentgerman.com/free training. This is my free training where I give you samples of my paid lessons for free. We dive deep into German pronunciation, daily life conversations, and basic grammar structures. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. Thank you for being part of my Instagram family, and let me know in the comment section below which platform you'll be tuning in most from. Until then, I cannot wait to help you become confident and conversational in German.